Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by scanning traffic and signaling intent. Safety first. Ease off the gas and apply steady pressure to the brake with your right foot to reduce speed. As revs fall toward idle, press the clutch fully at around 1,500 to 2,000 RPM so the engine won't stall. Once done, maintain controlled braking and keep your hands ready to shift. This initial coordination between brake and clutch sets the rest of the stop up cleanly. You now manage gears to keep the car balanced. If you need engine braking, downshift one gear at a time, matching revs to avoid jerks. This reduces brake load and preserves stability. For precise control, use rev matching or heel toe when descending gears quickly. This prevents lurching. Make sure to keep the clutch depressed until your speed is close to the intended stopping speed. That way you can modulate the brakes and decide whether to slip into neutral or hold a gear for a quick restart. You finish by bringing the car to a full stop with smooth brake pressure, then shift to neutral and release the clutch to avoid unnecessary wear. On inclines, set the parking brake before releasing the foot brake so you don't roll, and leave engine running if you'll move again shortly. If the engine stalls, don't panic. Press the clutch fully, restart the engine, select first gear, and use a gentle throttle while easing off the clutch. That sequence gets you back under control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.